In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. If you're having trouble accessing your Indeed account, don't worry. Resetting your password is a straightforward process. First, you'll want to head over to the Indeed website. You can do this by typing Indeed into your search engine or entering the URL directly into your browser. Once you're on the Indeed homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll see a prompt to enter your email and password. But since you're looking to reset your password, instead of entering that information, locate the Forgot Password link. It should be just below the fields where you normally enter your login details. Click on that link. You will then be directed to a new page asking you to enter the email address associated with your Indeed account. So, take a moment to type in your email carefully. Once you've done that, you'll need to click on the Submit button. After that, you should receive an email from Indeed. This email will contain instructions on how to reset your password. Now, open your email inbox and keep an eye out for that message from Indeed. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folders, just in case it got filtered there by mistake. When you find the email, open it up and you should see a link that directs you to the password reset page. Make sure to click on that link. It will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Remember to choose something you'll easily remember, but that is also secure. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your new password, you'll likely have to confirm it by typing it in again. Take a moment to double-check that both entries match perfectly. After that, go ahead and hit the Submit button. Congratulations! Your password has now been reset. You can now go back to the Indeed sign-in page and log in using your newly created password. It's also a good idea to note down your new password somewhere safe or use a password manager, so you won't have to go through this process again in the future. If you encounter any issues while trying to reset your password, don't hesitate to reach out to Indeed's customer support for assistance. They're usually very helpful and can guide you through any additional steps. And that's it. You've successfully reset your password on Indeed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful today. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video for more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching,